In the heart of the tropical rainforest, where the air is thick with the scent of decay, a lone researcher named Elara stumbles upon a hidden grove. The trees whisper secrets, their leaves rustling with a language only the forest understands. As night falls, the shadows grow longer, and the grove reveals its true nature, a living entity hungry for balance. Elara feels the ground shift beneath her feet, roots curling around her ankles, pulling her into the earth. The forest demands a sacrifice to restore its lost biodiversity. Her screams are swallowed by the night, leaving only silence.